welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately today is a Monday and a video is supposed to go up today, but I'm sorry because I worked in the weekend. I didn't have time to edit and all that, and then my laptop decided it doesn't want to edit for me, so I have to film and edit on my phone. But before I post that video, I want to do a fridge clean and organization with you guys. Clean my fridge, organize it, and I'll go shopping later today. I just have a little bit of food. I didn't even shop on the weekend. Working on the weekend is the ghetto. So I want to clean my fridge, organize it, and I want to show you guys how I do it. I had previously bought some organization stuff which are so cute. I wanted to buy them on Amazon, but I went into a shop and I found them there, and I was like, wow, thank God, because sometimes Amazon just doesn't ever want to send me my stuff correctly. So without further talking, today we are doing a clean my fridge and organize it with me. I'll show you how I pack all my fruits and veggies for them to stay fresh until the week ends. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. So if you guys look thoroughly, my fridge isn't that dirty, but it has some foodstuffs. It has some foodstuffs here and there, and that's why I decided to just give it a wipe down. I had cleaned it like 2 weeks ago, and since then I've not really used much of it, so yeah, it's still clean, but it has some pecks of food and all that. So that's the only thing I'm wiping down, just to make it look more appeasing. And also I can't shop much this week because we're not there in the weekend, so I'm just wiping it down, as you guys can see. It's not that dirty, but just to give it a nice look, that it looks better. So like I said, the last week I really removed everything and cleaned everything, but you know, once you have people at home and there's food in there, it has to be opened and closed. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. Just a quick clean. Just a quick clean. Oops. Just gonna put it back on. Then wash the outside, clean the outside, because that's what people touch all the time. Mostly for the outside, I just use water and vinegar. To shine it. There's like a million baby fingerprints here because I mostly let them play here when I'm cooking and daddy's not home. And they touch it with food and all that gunk in their hands sometimes. Yeah. And I find wiping it down with vinegar, it's not so toxic to them, because you know, babies just put their hands in their mouth all the time. This is all the food that I had in my fridge. I want to wash them, put some back, what is not good I have to throw away. There's some leftover food from yesterday dinner, that's what you're going to eat for lunch. And yeah, so I just start with the veggies, wash them, pack them, and come along. In here, yeah, stays fresh, also stays fresh, ready to eat. The boys really like they love them for school and also for just a snack. So So this are on percentage because I bought them at half price. Chicken fans. We are done. Yay! So basically, absolutely, I have no food in the house, but I have food in my freezer. Yeah, frozen food. We need to finish it up this week. Like I said, on the weekend we're not here, so I can't shop a lot because I don't want food going bad. Yeah, and I'll just give you how my fridge is clean and organized and nice, and I know what to use and know. Yes, so let me just stand there. So as you can see here, I have mostly snacks for the boys. Yeah, the mini, what are they called? I don't know in English anymore. I only know in German. Yeah, but they have their yogurt packs for school. This is the cheese we use for lunches and stuff. This is lunch meat. This is butter and all the things we need for breakfast. And I like this. I like pickles. They are my favorite snack. And yeah, here we have it's like bacon, cut in pieced bacon. I use it mostly for cooking and stuff like that. This is leftover mushroom which I'm going to make for lunch today. Yeah, just like onions and that, and this is like sausages for daddy because he likes them for work. We have cheese. Here I just put the fruits we don't need for now, but we'll need for the rest of the week. Why is this thing not closing? And as I showed you, here we have our fruits. Here we have our ginger and what is it called? Tomatoes. Ginger and tomatoes, our fruits and cucumbers and courgettes and all that. Down here we have our meat, our chicken, and this is left over from yesterday, which I'm going to make with the mushroom, and we're going to eat it for lunch. This is also leftover beans. I have to like freeze them or do something. And down here we have, yeah, just salad and a strip of green onions, which is going to finish up the whole of this week. So yeah, so that's how for now my fridge looks like. Quite empty but clean and smelling fresh and looking nice. Here we have our eggs, our sauces and milk, and here we have water and wine. Yes, so that is my clean looking fridge. and I'm happy and excited about it. So yeah, I have to close it because I'm wasting energy, which is not good. So yeah, this is almost empty. Just the front part has this, but it's all good for this week. For this week, you're sorted. We have food until Friday because we're traveling on Friday, so I'm not really worried because there's more food in here, which is chicken, fish, no, not chicken, fish and fish and fish and spinach and more fish. So I like how it turned out. Hi beautiful people, don't mind my face right now. This is editing me. I'm editing the video that's supposed to go up tomorrow right now, and I just realized it doesn't have an outro. Yeah, just guess the babies woke up and blah 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 happened. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video of me organizing the fridge and all that, and I hope you liked it. If you're watching up to here, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and tell a friend to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and tuning into my channel. So I love you guys and have a nice start in the week. Bye bye.